Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is my very first video for the year 2022, and if you are just a new subscriber or a new viewer to this channel, so my name is Julie and I'm expat here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So I'm doing vlogs for makeup, travels, life, and all other stuffs like an OFW has been doing here in the Middle East. So if you want to know more about me and know more about this channel, please keep on watching. Yeah, so for today's video, we will be doing a makeup tutorial first in 2022. So as we enter the new year, we want to, embrace the aura of positivity, good vibes, and of course, embracing a new life ahead of us. So for today, I will be doing some easy makeup look for 2022. So if you want to see how I will gonna do it, so let's begin. So I already prepped my skin, guys, with a sunscreen and a moisturizer as usual. So we will be going forward to our base. So I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear in the shade I'm in the shade Sable or Sand. We'll just blend it over. So I love the consistency of the L'Oreal Infallible, guys, because it's actually full coverage. You can build it up, and it actually covers my imperfections here in this area where I do usually have some pimple marks. So if you want to add more on some parts of your face, you can really build this product up. Next one is I will be doing my concealer using this BYS concealer palette. What I love about this, guys, it's not powdery. It's more on a combination of a creamy kind of concealer and a powder into one. So I don't know how I'm gonna call that, but it's so really perfect. And I just want to put some dots on just a little part of this area here, and then we'll just blend it with a real thick brush. So we'll just pat it on with a sponge just to smoothen out everything on our face. So I will just set my face with this MAC foundation. Next is I will be doing my brows, so as usual. next we will be using an Essence mascara gel as usual. So the next step, guys, is I will be doing an eyeshadow. Yes, I will be doing more of eyeshadows in this year because you know, it's fun to really learn new things in this new year. So I've been doing some, you know, research and also some video reviews on how to do a eyeshadow look, or tricks on how to put on an eyeshadow. So I'm, you know, quite learning. So today I will be using this Wycon Cosmetics. It's an ombretti palette. It's a palette for beginners actually, so I love to begin with this palette. So let's see how well it goes for this look. So I am using another Real Technique brush that it's a similar brush that I've used here, but it's the other one. So we will be doing the first eyeshadow with a base. So we will be doing this first one here. It's not really white, but it's the some light color just to lighten up our eyes. Yeah, so you see the eyes, it actually brightens up when you use a light base for the eyes. And the next one is we will go to a much more darker shade. So I will be using this one. So I don't know what color is this. It's like a muted orange reddish color. So it's a very beautiful one. So we will just try this. And one thing that I've learned from all of my research is that once you put a brush on your palette, you have to dust it off to actually take off any excess, because nalalagas yung mga dust. You have to dust it off. So natutunan ko yan din sa mga tinitingnan ko mga video tutorials. So we'll just put this one on the side of our dito banda. I don't know the term for that, but we'll just put this here and we'll just slowly blend it all the way here. Okay, so let's do that. So look, the eyes shadow that I just did, so you know, it adds really color to the eyes. So next step is I will just add some glow up sparkling on my eyes. So I will be just using this Master Chrome from Maybelline once again, using my fingers. And then guys, we will just gonna put some colors on here so that it will just connect on the color of the eyes on top, so it will not look as messy as it is. So let's just try to do that. So we're just gonna get the shade, the bolder one, and then down to our, and just connect it with this one here. So I am using a MAC brush for that, just to blend it here. And then we'll just add the other half of it with the Master Chrome, which we also put on our lid, just to have a sparkling effect as well on the this part of our eyes. and then we'll just tap all the any excess here. So after that, I will not be using any eyeliner at this time, so I will gonna move forward to my lashes. So I will be using this Max Factor eyelash curler. So I love this one, it's a new purchase and it's so black, and yeah, it's just add a lift of your eyelash. Yeah, I love really the Max Factor eyelash mascara, guys. It's really very natural looking, right? It's not like you put something glamorous on your eyelash, so better purchase it. So next we will gonna move on to our contour. So I will be using again the Hoola Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So we will just blend it out together with a contour, just so there will be no space in between. I love how California looks on the face, guys, on a actual, because it gives a shimmering effect on your face. So see the glow, it's coming from the California blush. Love it. So now I will be proceeding to the highlighter. So I will be using this Catrice Glow in Light Infusion once again for my highlighter. I really love Catrice highlighter, guys. It's really adding glow and freshness to the overall look. You know, I'm a little bit extra today, so I'm putting somewhere in the bridge of my nose and in my cupid's bow. See that glow? It's just like really natural, right? So I think adding highlighter to your face, you know, if you will gonna put this on just the right amount of it, I think it would be really very perfect on your makeup look, even if it's just as simple as this one. So next I will be doing my lips. So I will be using this Max Factor color Florex. Yeah, it's in the shade Muted Rosette. So it's like a muted orangey with a slight of reddish on the tone of this lip color. So guys, this Max Factor is actually a soft matte kind of lipstick. What I don't like about this is just like the pigment of it. It's really overwhelming, and I don't know if it's just me, but I really don't like it. So I blotted it with my finger just to balance the color, you know, to balance it all out on my lips. So it depends on you and how you are gonna do the applications, but that one is very pigmented, I tell you guys. So of course I will gonna put on some gloss on my lips, so I will gonna be using again my Tarte lip gloss here. Yeah, so and to finalize everything, so I will be using a setting spray from Max Factor once again. So I really love this one. It's quite big. It's focusing, but it's really big, so I love this one. So let's try it on and set it all out. So guys, I'm back. So this is my final look. So I just added some earrings, the green ones, just to complement my top. But yeah, I love how it actually completed the look, and I love how this easy makeup was really complementing everything on my face. And as I appreciate it, so I'm so happy with this look. So with the highlighters and all, I think you better experiment with highlighters, guys, because it really adds color and glow to your face. And with the eyeshadow, I think I will be loving eyeshadow more this year, so I will be experimenting more with other palettes later on. So once again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for having the time to really watch this video. So if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to check out more videos of me later, or some videos that I did already in 2021, please do watch and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell for you to be notified once I add and upload some new videos. Thank you so much, guys, and have a lovely 2022 ahead. Mwah.